Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency can feel a bit intimidating at first. All these new terms, exchanges, wallets, it's enough to make your head spin. But what if I told you there was a way to buy and sell crypto easily, securely, and entirely within Canada? That's where Newton comes in. Newton is a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange that's designed to be user-friendly, even for crypto newbies. So, whether you're a seasoned investor looking for a new platform or someone just starting to explore the crypto world, Newton could be a great option for you. Today's video is all about setting up your Newton account. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can be buying and selling crypto in no time. Cut to screencast opening Newton website. First things first, head over to the Newton website, just search for Newton Crypto Exchange and you should find it easily. Once you're there, you'll see a big, friendly sign up button. Click on that, and let's get started. Cut back to Live Presenter. The first step is to enter your basic information, your email address, create a strong password, and confirm it. Remember, a strong password is key to keeping your account secure. Don't use your birthday, pet's name, or anything easily guessable. Cut back to screencast, filling out sign-up form. Next, you'll need to provide some additional details, like your name, address, occupation, and date of birth. This is a standard part of any cryptocurrency exchange, and it helps them comply with regulations to prevent fraud. Cut back to Live Presenter. Now, here's where things get interesting. Newton will ask you a few questions to understand your experience with cryptocurrency. This is just to gauge your knowledge and risk tolerance. Be honest in your answers, it's not a test, and it helps Newton recommend features and products that are right for you. Cut back to screencast questionnaire. After the questionnaire, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a clear picture of your government-issued ID and taking a selfie with your phone's camera. Don't worry, the whole process is secure, and Newton will only use your information for verification purposes. Cut back to Live Presenter. Once your ID is verified, you're almost there. The final step is to fund your account. Newton offers a variety of deposit methods, including e-transfers, which are perfect for Canadians. Just choose your preferred method, follow the on-screen instructions, and your account will be ready to roll. Cut back to screencast funding options. Cut back to Live Presenter. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Newton account and are ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Remember, take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform before diving in. Newton offers a great resource center with articles, FAQs, and even educational videos to help you get started. Show Newton Resource Center on screen. Cryptocurrency can be a volatile market, so always do your own research before making any investments. But with Newton's user-friendly platform and focus on security, it's a great place to begin your crypto journey. Cut to outro music and text overlay, subscribe and like. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. Until next time, happy investing.